Hi, my name is Vickie Torrey, and I am from Savannah, Georgia. At the Costa Rica School of Massage Therapy, I teach ethics, communication, psychology of touch, and of course, oncology massage. Oncology massage is a beautiful mix of Eastern and Western modalities. It's a little bit of Swedish, it's a little bit of shiatsu, some reflexology, polarity therapy, some Esalen massage, all mixed up for this beautiful customized massage session. Each day in my class, you will explore the world of cancer, whether it's cancer pathology or the deep emotions that impact the cancer journey. You will also learn hands-on techniques, integrative therapies that you can use to create a customized massage session for your patient or your loved one. This oncology massage training is open to anyone whose heart is open to attend. In this line of work, working with cancer patients or people who are experiencing life-altering health conditions, it is extremely important that we take care of ourselves. So each day, we will have time for self-care, whether it's walking along the beach or quiet time, whether it's meditation or yoga. The beautiful thing about this compassionate light touch is that it is transferable. So anyone who's experiencing Parkinson's disease, MS, ALS, HIV/AIDS, or any kind of life-altering health condition can use this compassionate touch.